Welcome to Kids Spark Learns, learning for kids of all ages. Welcome to Amazing Vehicles for Kids. Let's explore together.
This is a police car. A police car helps officers reach emergencies quickly. It has bright flashing lights and a loud siren. Police use it to catch bad guys and keep roads safe. It can carry special tools inside. Police cars are always ready to protect people. This is a police motorcycle. A police motorcycle is very fast. Officers use it to chase cars or stop traffic. It has flashing lights and a siren to warn others. It can move easily between cars on busy roads. Motorcycles help police reach emergencies in time.
This is a monster truck. It's super big with giant tires that crush cars and jump over ramps. Monster trucks are made for fun shows where they race, spin, and do cool stunts. They make loud engine sounds and can even fly high in the air. Monster trucks are the kings of excitement.
This is a pickup truck. This is a pickup truck, and it has an open space at the back for carrying loads. Farmers, builders, and workers use pickup trucks to carry tools, wood, or even animals. Pickup trucks are strong and can drive on rough roads. Families also use them for adventures and camping. They are both useful for work and fun.
This is a rickshaw. It's a small three-wheeled vehicle used for short trips in busy cities. Rickshaws are often painted in bright colors and decorated with designs, which makes them fun to look at. They are a quick, affordable way for people to travel through crowded streets, especially in countries like Pakistan and India. This is a crane truck. It has a long arm called a boom that lifts heavy things high into the air. Crane trucks help builders move metal, wood, or big blocks where people can't reach. They're strong and steady, helping build tall buildings and bridges. Up, up, and away goes the crane truck. This is a heavy bike. Heavy bike is a large and powerful motorcycle made for long rides and strong performance. It has a big engine that helps it go fast and travel far distances. Heavy bikes are heavier than normal bikes and feel very stable on the road. They are often used on highways and open roads. Heavy bikes have wide tires. This is a recycling truck. It is a special vehicle that collects recyclable waste like paper, plastic, and metal from homes and buildings. A recycling truck has a big container on the back where it stores all the collected materials. It helps keep neighborhoods clean by picking up items that can be reused.
This is an air ambulance. An air ambulance is an airplane or helicopter. It carries sick people quickly to faraway hospitals. It has doctors and special medical equipment inside. Air ambulances work in emergencies where time is short. They help patients reach help faster. This is a motorcycle. This is a motorcycle, and it has two wheels like a bicycle, but it runs on fuel. Motorcycles are faster than bicycles and are often used to travel quickly in busy traffic. They can carry one or two people at a time. Some motorcycles are small and simple, while others are very powerful and fast. This is a golf cart. This is a golf cart, and it is a small vehicle used to carry players on golf courses. It moves slowly and is very quiet. Golf carts are usually electric and have space for 2 to 4 people. They are also used in parks, hotels, and airports. Even though they are small.
This is a front-loader garbage truck. It is a big vehicle used to collect garbage from large containers in cities and towns. The truck has large forks on the front that lift heavy bins and empty the trash into the back container. Front-loader garbage trucks drive on streets and highways to pick up waste from homes, offices, and businesses.
This is an articulated dump truck. This is an articulated dump truck, and it is built for rough, uneven ground. It has two parts connected with a special joint, so it can bend and turn easily. These trucks carry heavy loads across muddy or bumpy areas. They are used in big construction projects, quarries, and mines.
This is a sweeper truck. It keeps our streets clean and shiny. The brushes under the truck spin fast to sweep away dirt, leaves, and trash. Sweeper trucks usually work early in the morning when roads are quiet. Thanks to them, our city stays neat and clean.
This is a bulldozer. This is a bulldozer, and it is one of the strongest construction machines. It has a big metal blade in the front to push dirt, rocks, or even broken buildings. Bulldozers move slowly, but nothing can stop them. They are used to clear land, make new roads, and prepare the ground for buildings.
This is a tanker truck. It is a large vehicle used to carry liquids or gases, like water, milk, fuel, or chemicals from one place to another. A tanker truck has a big, round container on its back that keeps the liquid safe while driving. This is a logging truck. It is a big truck used to carry logs and cut trees from forests to sawmills or factories. The truck has a strong trailer that holds heavy logs safely during travel. Logging trucks drive on rough roads and highways to transport wood for making furniture, paper, and other products.
This is a snowblower truck. A snowblower truck clears heavy snow from roads. It has a big machine in front to blow snow aside. This keeps roads open during winter storms. Cars and ambulances can then pass safely. Snowblower trucks are very important in cold areas.
This is a food truck. It is a small kitchen on wheels that travels to different places to serve tasty meals. A food truck has cooking equipment inside.
This is a fire truck. A fire truck carries firefighters, hoses, and water. It has tall ladders to reach high buildings. The siren warns cars to move aside quickly. Firefighters use it to rescue people and put out fires. It is one of the most important emergency vehicles.
This is a container truck. It is a big vehicle used to carry heavy containers from one place to another. It has a strong engine, large wheels, and a long trailer that holds the container safely. This truck travels on roads and highways to deliver important goods to different cities.
This is an airport rescue truck. An airport rescue truck stays near airplanes. It is very powerful and fast. It helps if there is a fire at the airport. Firefighters use it to keep passengers safe. Airport rescue trucks are always on duty. This is a police helicopter. A police helicopter flies high to watch over cities. It helps find missing people and chase suspects. From the sky, officers can see traffic and roads clearly. It also helps during rescues. Police helicopters make the city safer. This is a rescue boat. A rescue boat saves people in water emergencies. It works during floods, storms, or sea accidents. It is strong and can handle big waves. Rescuers use it to bring people to safety. Rescue boats are lifesavers on water.
This is a utility repair truck. A utility repair truck is used to fix things like power lines, street lights, and water pipes. It carries tools, machines, and safety equipment for repair workers. Many utility repair trucks have a bucket lift to help workers reach high places.
This is an ambulance. An ambulance takes sick or hurt people to the hospital. It has flashing lights and a loud siren to move through traffic. Inside, doctors and nurses can give quick treatment. Ambulances are always ready for emergencies. They save many lives every day. This is a tow truck. A tow truck helps remove broken cars from the road. It can lift and carry damaged vehicles safely. This clears traffic after accidents. Tow trucks also help cars stuck in bad places. They keep roads safe and clean. This is a wheel loader. This is a wheel loader, and it is a powerful machine with a big bucket at the front. It scoops, carries, and loads heavy materials like dirt, gravel, or sand. Wheel loaders can move things quickly around a site. They are very strong and fast, making them a favorite for builders. This is a seaplane. A seaplane is an airplane that can land on water. It has floats or special boat-shaped bottoms instead of wheels. Seaplanes are used in islands, lakes, and rivers where airports don't exist. They carry people, supplies, and even tourists. They are very helpful in remote areas.
This is a car transport truck. It carries many cars from factories to car shops. The truck has 2 levels so it can hold lots of cars safely. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. Keep smiling, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.